Are you experiencing pain on your shoulder when you try to raise your arm? In this video, we will be talking about shoulder impingement, what causes it, and how to fix it with home rehab exercises. My name is PJ, a sports physiotherapist, and I help active people prevail over pain and injuries. So if you're new to this channel, consider liking and sharing this video, and don't forget to hit the bell notification button below. First, we need to know what is shoulder impingement. Shoulder impingement is a common cause of shoulder pain. This happens when a tendon of your rotator cuff are pinched as they pass through the top of your arm and the tip of your shoulder. This is commonly seen in individuals who are involved in sports and activities that require overhead and rotational activities like swimming, volleyball, baseball, and even gym goers. We need to be aware that exercises like shoulder upright row and lateral raises with internal rotation can really aggravate your condition. First exercise is to correct your posture. A slouch posture can limit your arm motions, while a good posture allows full range of motion when you try to raise your arm. To do this, just stand back on a wall with arms at 90 degrees, pinch your shoulder blades together, and perform this exercise while maintaining a pressure and tension in your shoulder blade. Do this for 2 sets of 12 repetitions. Second is we need to do stretching exercises for your chest area by using the edge of the door. Hold this stretch for 2 sets of 20 seconds. Here are some strengthening exercises for your rotator cuff muscles. Put a towel in between your elbow and your body and try to rotate your arm away from your body against the edge of the door. Do this for 3 sets of 10 repetitions. This is another exercise for rotator cuff muscle where you try to rotate your arm towards your body. Do this for 3 sets of 10 repetitions. This is the third exercise for your rotator cuff muscle. Shoulder and elbow at a 90 degrees with the back of your hand against the edge of the door. While maintaining this position, press your body away from the door by using the back of your hand. Do this for 3 sets of 10 repetitions. This is the fourth exercise for your rotator cuff muscle. Raise your arm away from your body with a 30 degrees angle against the edge of the door. The fifth exercise is for your serratus anterior. This is also called a push plus or a push-up extension, so make sure your elbow doesn't bend all throughout this movement.